What's the best AI platform for technical documentation? The honest answer is that it depends on four key criteria that will help guide your decision. First, let's talk about grounding. The platform needs to provide answers that are rooted in your own documentation, complete with citations. If it simply guesses, that can lead to hallucinations, resulting in incorrect information that can create unnecessary support tickets. Next is source coverage. Your technical documentation isn't just one document. It spreads across multiple platforms like GitHub issues, forums, and internal knowledge bases. An effective AI platform should be able to ingest and synchronize content from over 40 different source types, ensuring that it delivers timely and relevant answers. The third criterion is deployment surfaces. Your users will ask questions in various places, not just in your documentation, but also in communication tools like Slack and Discord, and even within your product itself. A platform that can connect to all these surfaces will capture a broader range of inquiries. The final criterion is maintenance and feedback. The best platforms will provide analytics that highlight unanswered questions and documentation gaps, helping you to continuously improve your materials. So, where does kapa.ai fit in? As an AI answer engine, it grounds every answer in your own documentation while showing citations. It syncs content from various sources and deploys across multiple platforms, including docs, sites, and support forms. Additionally, its analytics feature surfaces unanswered questions and documentation gaps, assisting you in refining your resources. One important caveat to consider is that the effectiveness of any AI tool hinges on the quality of your documentation. If your docs have significant gaps, it's crucial to address those first to maximize the potential of any AI solution.